Hello everyone. For the fresh air, water and land, we all need to have healthy environment. And that is possible if we keep sustainability. In this video, I am going to show you how to live with minimum waste and how to segregate the wet and dry waste. All the biodegradable waste I have used for the compost. All the dry leaves that contains carbon and green kitchen waste contains nitrogen that have been used in this earthen pot for making natural fertilizer called as compost. Every day we have to store, and after 1 month very nice compost will be ready. This is also called as black gold that can be used for our plants in the garden. So this way I manage the green waste. Instead of throwing in the dustbin, very nicely we can use it. If you want the detailed method how to make the compost, I will give the link in the description box. Citrus fruit scraps. Instead of throwing these, I have made all these bioenzymes. These are multi-purpose. I use this for my plants also, and for cleaning the floor also I use these. So this way, instead of throwing any green waste, we can utilize it. For disposing the green waste, all the fruits and vegetable scraps, we have arranged this bag, and all the society members are requested to keep their fresh green leafy vegetable scraps in this bag, so that all these can be given to the cow. One lady takes an initiative and she goes to feed the cow regularly every morning. So this way we are managing the green waste. This way we give all the green waste to the cow. For disposing the green waste in the green bin, never use plastic bag. Swap the plastic and switch to eco-friendly way. So here I am showing you how to do it. I have been practicing this since 15 years. This way, first rinse all the green waste in this type of bowl so that there is no water contained, and then arrange 3 pages of newspapers like this. Nicely I arrange it so that the dustbin won't be so dirty, and at the bottom this type of page we can put. Like this if we do, I assure that there won't be any bad smell. The whole day green waste remains like that only. There is no trouble. And for the whole month we required hardly 1 kg of newspapers. That is okay, and we can very easily afford it. Next day when the garbage picker comes, we have to wrap all these and then we can give it to him so that our dustbin remains clean only. This way we are collecting all the plastic waste, and every Thursday we are giving to Ecovision so that directly it can be sent for the recycling. This way the truck comes, Swachhta van, and then we give them to directly. E-waste. E-waste contains good amount of metal that are very important, like copper, aluminium and many other metals. So instead of throwing this in the dustbin, we give directly to the recyclers so that it can be processed and many other things can be made. So these are different ideas we have been implementing for the minimum waste. I have taken the initiative in my society because it's my passion to do something for conserving Mother Nature and to do something for environment conservation. I thank to my friends and my society people because they are supporting me, and without their support, it's not possible. This is all possible because of the teamwork. And I thank to you also for watching this video. Stay tuned for more such videos.